This is Euro USD. Euro USD on the monthly time frame, I'm looking at a potential correction at this region, and this is a major zone actually. So price came as of the moment, price came to test the major zone, and I can see a continuation to the upside from the major zone. Then on the weekly time frame, however, I am coming to look for a double bottom or a double top. So price has already given me a double bottom on the weekly time frame, although I could also see a double top around this area. But this double bottom at this major zone has kind of invalidated this double top that I can see. The first week has closed bullish and the second week has also close bullish. So I'm looking for price to come back around this area, which is I'm looking for price to retest around this region for a third touch of the trend line. Third touch, because on the daily time frame, if I come on the daily time frame, I'm looking for structure. What structure can I see on the daily time frame? I'm looking at a double bottom around this region, a double bottom around this region. So sometimes I just bring out my Fibonacci. I check what price is potentially doing around the Fibonacci region. So this is just hypothetical stuff I'm doing with my Fibonacci. So I just check and I can see that Fibonacci is around this area, within this area. So that is why my stop loss came a little bit below this region. Why did I put my stop loss below this region? Because there could be a potential manipulation around this area. There could be a potential manipulation. So that if there is a potential manipulation, price is not going to take you out for a stop loss. I think if there's going to be a potential manipulation, you don't have to worry about the potential manipulation because your stop loss is already covered. I think the max the manipulation can go, it's not going to go below this region. Why did I put my line around this area? Is because this is a weekly neckline of this double top. This is a double top, right? And a double top normally have a neckline, and this area is the neckline. So if price at least want to retest any area, it will come back. If it breaks this structure around this area, price must at least come back to test the neckline. Then just a week, I'm expecting to see a weak rejection from this area to the upside. That is if there's going to be a manipulation. Then on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm looking at is price to come and test for the third touch of the trend line. The third touch of the trend line, I'm looking for price to come and test around this area. Normally, I like for price. If you look at the nature of the correction, there is a correction around this area, and this market came back to test around this region for a touch, the second touch of the trend line. Then price corrected and correct. So I'm looking for price to come back to touch for the third touch of the trend line. So if this level around this area is a risky region, this is a high risk trade. But if you want to be very conservative, you wait for the break of the counter trend line. Once price break the counter trend line, you just place your order. 4-hour candle close, you place your order, and your stop loss is going to be below this zone. So, but me, I'm going to take my first order in this place. Then when I see a break of the counter trend line, I place my second order. Then this first order, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Then I place the second order. So I'm potentially managing my risks around this region. So that is what I'm looking for Euro USD as of this week. So I'm looking for bullish momentum for Euro USD to get to this level around this region. First level target is going to be around this area. Then second level target will be around this area. So, but potentially first level target, I'm looking for price to get to this area before the second level target. So that's my thoughts on Euro USD as of the moment.